Fiberglass is naturally a very strong and durable material. What really sets Pelles fiberglass apart is the way in which we make and manufacture it. So we actually make and pultrude all of our own fiberglass in-house. And what really sets us apart is the intentional, strategic way that we weave the glass rovings together. All of those things working together really provide a very strong and durable material for us and allows us to bring the strongest material available to windows and doors in the market.
Regarding our finish, we use a baked-on powder coating, which obviously is extremely durable. It's the type of coating that you see on cars. It's the type of coating that you see on boats, things that are under extreme wear and tear. What that gives you is resistance to fade and chalking, chip, scratch resistance. So if you think about job site damage and different things like that, that product's going to withstand the day in and day out movement that happens on a job site. Additionally, if you think about peace of mind for the homeowner, they're not going to have to worry about refinishing their windows. That finish is going to withstand the day-to-day wear and tear and also prevent you from having to go back to that home so you can focus on your other jobs. Through extensive research, we quickly learned that homeowners, when they're operating their casement and awning windows, they don't like to use the crank. It takes a lot of motion. They hit their hand when they're operating behind a sink. It hits their woodwork. So we stepped back and we said, how can we design something that removes that pain point? We developed a revolutionary way to open your window called the Easy Slide Operator.
Instead of the crank, we're actually bringing you a Kevlar belt-driven Easy Slide Operator. Really what this does for us is provide a new, effortless operation for casement and awning products, as well as bring a great aesthetic. So it's really allowing the hardware to really bleed into the jam of the product and create a very smooth, clean interior look.
Overall, the material is engineered with proven performance. We know that things like water, structural, sound, energy are important aspects. So we're adding things like triple pane glass. We're adding things like different thicknesses of glass so you can achieve that sound, those sound ratings that are necessary oftentimes that homeowners are asking for.
We know that your time is very valuable, and we also know that customers continue to demand large configurations. So we have really opened up and continue to refine our molding options within our fiberglass platform. We allow you to tell us what your projects need and allow our factory experts to build those for you and bring them to life. We deliver them to your job site, so the only thing that you have to do is install them.
We're excited to continue to offer the strongest material available for windows and doors with lasting durability, while also layering in new designs, new innovations, and upgraded aesthetics.